Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about how to get a discount on Spectrum Internet. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. Contact Spectrum Customer Service. The simplest way to get a discount on Spectrum Internet is to ask. Contact their customer service through a call at 833-267-6094 or physically visit with all your account details. Explain that you'd like a discount. Be persistent but polite, respectful, and patient. Negotiate for a discount. Research the rates of other competitors and compare them with your Spectrum plan to give you more negotiating power. Look for additional charges to your plan and negotiate for their removal. Bundle services. It's easier to get a discount if you subscribe to several Spectrum services like internet, phone, and cable TV. Contact customer service and ask for a better rate for bundled services. Check for promotions. Look out for discounts on Spectrum Internet through their website at spectrum.net. Ask customer service about any promotions or discounts for loyal customers. So that's it. Getting a discount on Spectrum Internet is that easy. Thanks for watching till next time.